Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how to install Angular setup and how to run the application and how to run the command for creating components and services or modules. Okay, let's move to the Visual Studio Code. First of all, go to the respective folder, any folder you can go there and here I am moved to the Angular 10 practice for all. Okay, just first of all need to create Angular. First of all, Angular CLI you need to create first. Just type here npm. Before that you need to create node. Node.js actually. Here type first of all node you can create. Just installation, type here npm -v, then enter. It will showing for the node installation npm -v, then version maybe I think 6 point like that. Okay, then after that you need to create Angular CLI. Need to type command here npm install -g angular @CLI. This is the command for creating Angular CLI. Okay, after creating npm, it will create globally actually in the respective of the app data inside the C folder. Okay, it will create globally only. After that you need to check it ng -version, either it is installed or not. Check it which is the version of that. Then after you need to create a new project. Just type here npm new project name. I have already created. I will take same name. Okay, Angular 10 practice for all. This is the name I'm created. Angular